Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Chase Mortgage account. So, open up your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. Now, in the Google bar, search for Chase Mortgage. Now, you can see this link over here. You can go ahead and tap on the link which appears on your screen. Now hit the sign in button which is on the right hand side of your Chase Mortgage page. After hitting the Chase Mortgage page and hitting the login, you can now log into your account. Write down your username, your password, and you can also click on Remember Me, and then you will still be logged in to your Chase Mortgage account. And if you want to use token, just press on Use Token and you can write down your token which you have copied or which you have saved on your phone or your PC. So if you don't have your password or you forgot your password, you can simply click on Forgot Username or Password. It will lead you to this page where you can write down your social security number or your tax ID, your account card or application number, or if you don't have a social security number, tap on this link and then press Next. After this, they will ask you to enter your email, and then after that, you can reset your password or username. Or if you don't have a Chase Mortgage account, go ahead and press this Not Enrolled Sign Up Now link, and then you can write down all of your details like your social security number, account number or application number, or your phone or email number. Then you can go and scroll down and write the type of online access you want, which is personal, business, commercial, and the options differ according to the things you choose. So in personal, you can write down your account card or application number, social security number, username, and then press Next. In business account, you can write your account number, social security number, username, and press Next as well. And in commercial, it's a quite different process. You should write your deposit number, credit card or loan number, your tax ID number, and then you can press Next and you can sign up for Chase Mortgage. So this was a video on how you can log into your Chase Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.